Google Ads Optimization. Simple tricks to lower costs. Struggling to manage your Google Ads budget? You're not alone. Today, we'll dive into some straightforward strategies to help you optimize your campaigns and cut down on unnecessary costs. First, focus on keyword optimization. Start by using keyword research tools to identify high-performing keywords that closely align with your products or services. This helps ensure your ads reach the right audience without overspending on irrelevant clicks. Next, make sure to utilize negative keywords. These prevent your ad from showing for terms that are not relevant, helping you avoid wasting money on uninterested clicks. Review and update your negative keyword list regularly. Consider adjusting your bidding strategy as well. Test different bidding methods such as manual CPC or automated bidding to see which yields the best return on investment. Lower bids during off-peak hours to save money without sacrificing visibility. Ad scheduling can also be a game changer. Analyze your data to determine the days and times your ads perform best, then schedule your campaigns to run only during those periods. Improve your ad quality score by ensuring your ads are relevant, have a high click-through rate, and lead to a well-designed landing page. A higher quality score often results in lower costs per click. Regularly review and refine your ad copy. A compelling ad with a clear call to action not only attracts the right customers, but also increases your click-through rate, helping you get more value out of each click. Finally, don't overlook audience targeting. Utilize Google's audience targeting options to refine who sees your ads. This ensures that your budget is spent on reaching people who are more likely to convert. By implementing these simple tricks, you can effectively reduce your Google Ads expenses while maintaining or even improving your campaign performance. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your digital marketing strategies.